All right, so we out here this morning. We working on a BMW 03 530i. Window won't roll up. Got enough here. Just here trying to go up. Nah, it's not going. T20. That door handle. That one. Just gonna pull this out. And then next we take out these two. Pull that out. We got that off. Alright, up, down, ain't nothing moving. Oh, this is done. Gotta get it on track with that new one, regulator in. Alright, this is the lift assembly. This is the regulator, the motor. I believe we got a T20 here, T20 in there. Like a Phillips head here. We'll get those out. Alright, all three of those are out. Now we got some room. Wiggle, smoothing around in there. Now we got these here at the bottom, 10 millimeters, and then we'll be able to pull that out, I believe. All right, so this arm here is connected by another T20, which I forgot to take out. Didn't see it until now, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that T20 out. It's gonna release this arm. Already got this bolt here undone. Alright, that's all of my parts that's coming out. And that window had to come all the way up, damn near out, so I can get to that bolt, that T20. So, alright, we halfway through. Everything matching up. Alright, the window lift, this piece right here, the window sits in both sides. Wanna get you an Allen key and take that off, or loosen it. Open it up, tighten it up when you get the window in. That's it. Leaks Auto Repair.